put in here in the bowl right now. I have to wash some dishes and I have to wash the dishes. I'm so full right now. I ate a few and I give some to Papi, this potato and the pork. So this one don't have any sugar, no brown sugar or white sugar at all. That's why I always put sugar back then, but I try a different no sugar in the pork. So hopefully I can make some chicken. Yummy, yummy.